Why choose us? If all carpet cleaners were the same, it would be pretty easy to choose one. You could just shop around and find the best price. It would be a lot like buying a TV. But carpet cleaners aren't all the same, and when you invite someone into your home, it's important to know who you're dealing with. In this short video, I want to explain why so many people just like you choose us to take care of their carpet, upholstery, and rug cleaning needs. There are 5 strong reasons people choose to do business with us. First, we absolutely, completely guarantee your satisfaction with any work we do. There's no strings and there's no gimmicks. It's important to deal with a company that stands behind their work at the highest level. If you're not happy for any reason, we'll make it right, or your job is free. It's that easy. You want to deal with a company that's willing to take the risk so that you don't have to. Doesn't that make sense? Now, second, we only use the cleaning process recommended by your carpet's manufacturer. Now, this is important because using the right procedure won't void your carpet's warranty like some other cleaning processes can. But even if cleaners use the right procedure, some cleaners can still void your carpet's warranty by using detergents that are too aggressive for residential carpet. Carpet cleaners commonly do this because these stronger detergents save time and can reduce the need for extra spotting. However, these harsh chemicals can strip the protective coating right off the carpet fibers, leaving your carpet vulnerable to staining and future damage, and completely voiding your carpet's warranty. We use appropriate cleaners that thoroughly but safely clean your carpet fibers, leaving them soft and fresh. Third, all of our technicians are thoroughly trained and are the type of people you can feel comfortable having in your home. Our technicians are polite, professional, uniformed, and clean-cut, and will treat you and your belongings with the respect and consideration you deserve. Fourth, we use the finest, most advanced equipment made for carpet cleaning. Our equipment allows us to safely control the heat, pressure, and detergent to gently rinse bacteria, pollen, dust mites, and soil from your carpet's fibers, leaving them soft, clean, fresh, and fluffy, and giving you a cleaner, healthier home. Fifth, and maybe most importantly, we want your business for life. Now, although that may not seem like an advantage, it really is. You see, every aspect of our business has been carefully designed to provide you with the best service and the finest experience possible. Earning your business for life is a reality of doing business these days. Our future and the future of our company depends on your satisfaction, and we understand that. Guaranteed service, the manufacturer's recommended process, technicians you can feel good about having in your home, the best equipment, and the right attitude about our business. Isn't that the kind of company you want to use in your home? Now, you get all of this along with a fair price, and we have different levels of service so that you can choose the level of service and the price that suits your needs best. It's easy to see why people who care choose us for their carpet cleaning needs. Call us now. You'll be glad you did.